Let me tell you a very interesting incident about these three friends. Now, these three friends go out to play every evening and they play together. Every day they play hopscotch. But one day they decided to play the number line game. So instead of drawing hopscotch on the floor, they drew a number line. We all know what number lines are, and these three really loved maths. So they drew a number line on the ground and they decided that each of them would take steps or walk on the number line, and they will see that who can take a bigger step and who can travel or walk on the number line quickly. So first it was the turn of this girl because she was the youngest among them all. So it was decided that she will start. So this little girl, she started walking on the number line. Now we see that she takes the first step and comes to 2, then takes the second step, comes to 4, takes the third step, comes to 6. She takes another step and comes to 8, and then another step to come to 10. So after the first step, she comes to 2. That is, she can cover a gap of 2. So she can cover this gap measuring 2. She can cover a gap of 2 in one step. In the next step as well, she moves from 2 to 4. That is, once again, she is covering a gap of 2 in the second step. Now, because her height does not increase, that is why her steps will also not increase. So, again, she moves from 4 to 6. So, she covers a gap of 2. Then she moves from 6 to 8. So, she covers a gap of 2 on the number line. And once again, from 8 to 10, she covers a gap of 2. So, every time she is covering a gap of 2. So, starting from 0, she moves to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As she is taking the steps on the number line, she is walking on the number line. So, in every step, she is covering a gap of 2. Now, if you observe these numbers come in the table of 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, and 2 into 5 is 10. So, they come one after the other in the table of 2, and we call such numbers multiples of 2. So, the numbers which come in the table of 2 are called the multiples of 2. And if I consider the numbers till 10, then these are all the multiples of 2 till 10. What are the multiples of 2 till 10? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are the multiples of 2 till 10. And how can I find them on a number line? So, if I start from 0 and I take steps of 2. So, steps of 2 on the number line, I can find the multiples of 2. So, now let us mark all the multiples of 2 on this number line. This number line has numbers till 20. So, I can mark their multiples of 2 till 20. In every step, the gap will be 2. And it is important to start from 0. If I start from 1 or any other number, it will be incorrect. So, I need to start from 0 and the gap will be 2. So, one step, the gap being 2, I come to 2. Again, 2. I move 2 numbers ahead, 2 numbers ahead, 2 numbers ahead, 2 numbers ahead. And I keep on doing this till I reach 20. And wherever I have landed, those are multiples of 2. So, 2, 4, I stopped at 6, I stopped at 8, I stopped at 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So these numbers which I have circled are the multiples of 2 till 20. There are multiples of 2 beyond 20 as well, but because in this number line we have numbers only till 20, so I have marked the multiples of 2 till 20. So these are all the multiples of 2 till 20, and this is how I can find them using a number line. Next, it was the turn of this boy, and he started walking on the number line. So now, in each step, this boy was covering a gap of 3. So from 3 to 6 to 9. So he was covering a gap of 3. So starting from 0, after the first step, he was on 3. After the second step, he moved from 3 to 6. And in the third step, he moved from 6 to 9. So he's covering a gap of 3 in each step, or he's moving 3 numbers ahead in each step. So he moved to 3 first, then 6, then 9. Now if you notice, these are all multiples of 3. What do we mean by multiples of 3? 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, and 3 into 3 is 9. So these numbers come in the table of 3. These are multiples of 3 till 10. There are multiples of 3 beyond 10 as well. We know 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. But till 10, we have these 3 multiples of 3. And how can we find them? Starting from 0, we take steps or we jump, and the gap of each jump will be 3. So we jump 3 numbers ahead every time. So let me mark the multiples of 3 till 20. So I will mark all the multiples of 3 till 20. For that, I need to start from 0, and every time I will jump 3 numbers ahead. So 1, 2, 3 numbers ahead. I will come here. Again I need to jump 1, 2, 3 numbers ahead. So I'll come here. Again 1, 2, 3 numbers ahead. So I will come here. Once again 3 numbers ahead. So 1, 2, 3 numbers ahead will bring me here. Again 3 numbers ahead. 1, 2, 3 numbers will bring me here. 1, 2, 3 numbers will bring me here. And 1, 2, but I cannot reach the third number, so I stop here. Now let us circle all the numbers where we stopped. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These are all the numbers where we stopped, and these are the multiples of 3 till 20. Till 20. After 20 as well there are multiples, but over here we are considering only the multiples of 3 till 20. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These are the multiples of 3 till 20, and we can find them by taking jumps of 3 starting from 0. Next, it was the turn of this boy. He was the eldest among them all, and he could take really big steps. See, he's covering 5 in every step. Next, 5. So in the first step, he could cover a gap of 5. Again in the next step, he reached from 5 to 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A gap of 5. So he is covering a gap of 5 in every step. So he first landed on 5 and then on 10. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. So these two numbers come in the table of 5. So these are the multiples of 5 till 10. So till 10 I have 5 and 10 as the multiples of 5. And there are multiples of 5 beyond 10 as well. But over here, we are considering only till 10. So now, can you mark the multiples of 5 on this number line? So, I start from 0. And because it is multiples of 5, the gap should be 5, or I should skip 5 numbers, or I should move 5 numbers ahead in every step. So I move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers ahead and come here. Once again, I will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers ahead to come here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers ahead to come here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers ahead to come here. So this is how I get the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15 and 20. These are the multiples of 5 till 20. 5, 10, 15 and 20. These are the 4 multiples of 5 till 20. So this is how you can find the multiples of any number on a number line by moving that many steps ahead. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.